Good morning, reception. Today we are going to be learning about positional language. So it's all about where something is located. So this PowerPoint is called Where is Teddy? And I want you to think about the language you're using when you tell your grown-up where Teddy is. So, where is Teddy in our first slide, boys and girls? Where is he? Well done, he is on the table. But whereabouts on the table is Teddy? Fantastic. Teddy is on top of the table. Teddy is on the table. Okay, boys and girls, where is Teddy in this picture? Tell your grown-ups. Fantastic. Teddy is under the table. Okay, boys and girls, where is Teddy on this picture? Fantastic. Teddy is beside the table, or we could just say Teddy is at the side of the table. Okay, boys and girls, where is Teddy on this picture? Well done. Teddy is on a chair. And where is Teddy and his chair? Fantastic. Teddy is at the table and he's doing what we do in school. He's sat on his chair and his chair's tucked right under the table so that his tummy is touching the table. Okay, boys and girls, where's Teddy now? Fantastic. Teddy is in the box. Oh, what about now, boys and girls? Where is Teddy? Teddy is next to the table. Teddy is next to the box. Teddy is in the middle of the table and the box. Teddy is between the box and the table. Well done. Okay, your challenge today is linking in with positional language. I want you to learn your left and your right. What does that mean? Ask your grown-ups to try and teach you about left and right so that you could say, Teddy is on the left of the table. Teddy is on the right of the table. See you all soon. Bye.